In this video, we will be reviewing the main parts of the Microsoft Word window. At the top of your screen, you're going to see the Quick Access toolbar. In the Quick Access toolbar, you will find tools such as Save, Undo, and Redo. On the other side, you're going to see where your Microsoft account is. Although commands in Word are organized on a ribbon, which is right here, and the ribbon's organized into different tabs. To change different tabs, all you have to do is click on the tab that you want to go to. And as you can see, all of the commands on each tab are organized into different command groups. So for an example, on the Home tab, you have the Font command group, and then you also have the Paragraph command group. If you want to know what a particular command does, just hover over the command and a little white box will pop up and it will tell you. If you want to search for a command, go to the Tell Me bar, search for your commands, and choose it from the drop-down menu. If you're working with an object in Word, such as a shape, a text box, or a picture, and you click on the object, a new tab will pop up called the Format tab, and it will provide you with tools to help you format the object, such as changing the shape color. You may also choose to show or hide your ribbon using the Ribbon's Displays options. Click here. You can choose to show tabs. You can choose to auto-hide the ribbon, or if you want, you can go back to show tabs and commands. To show and hide your ruler, go to the View tab, and then just uncheck or check off the box next to ruler if you want to show it. To zoom in or out of your document, go to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and you can use the plus or the minus to zoom in and out. Next to the zoom function, you have three different document layouts. You have read mode. In read mode, you can't edit your document. You have print layout. You always want to be in print layout if you're working on a document so you can see what it would look like if it was printed. And then you have web layout. Then in the bottom left-hand corner of your window, you'll see your page count and word count.